Tired of surprise data overages and confusing mobile bills? Then get ready to take control of your mobile experience, because in this video, we're diving deep into the US Mobile app, your all-in-one command center. First, let's monitor your data. On the home screen, you'll see a clear, visual representation of your current data usage. This keeps you informed in real time so you can avoid going over your limit. Next, tap on the lines or account tab. While the label might vary slightly depending on your app version. Here, you'll find a comprehensive overview of your active lines, plan details, and billing information. Want to tweak your plan? Simply select the line you want to adjust. From here, you can easily change your data allowance, add international calling, or even switch to a different plan that better suits your needs. Managing your billing is just as easy. Navigate to the billing section to view your payment history, update your payment method, and download invoices for your records. Finally, if you ever need assistance, head over to the settings or help section. There, you can access helpful facts, contact customer support, and manage your app preferences. And that's it. With the US Mobile app, you have complete control over your mobile plan. Right at your fingertips. Enjoy the freedom and flexibility.